Ooh, I was cutting myself off. When I say bananas, you say peppers. And you guys, I'm sitting on a pile of clothing down here. This is actually for a special video. Oh, I was sitting on these. Oh my God. Let's hope they're not broken. They're my TV glasses. Can I still be on TV? I'm sitting on a pile of clothes. This is a special pile of clothes for a very special video that I'm halfway done filming. And you guys, I feel like today has got to be the day that I clean up this filming room. It is in a state of disarray, to put it gently. But I feel like I've been doing so many other things. You guys, what am I doing? What am I doing? I also look like a mess today, you guys. It was like literally over 100 degrees here today. I feel like I'm melting. And normally we have humid heat around here, but today it just really felt like the dry, like kind of heat. You know what I mean? I feel like so many times lately I stop myself from making videos because I look like this. I look like this. I feel like I should come to YouTube looking more put together with like my hair done and my face done. But in the summertime, you guys, I'm melting. And I feel like, why not just look like a mess some days? Why not just look like a mess? But let's hang out. Just come sit down. I'm actually like trying to drink water. You guys, I formed so many healthy habits of like taking 15,000 steps a day, drinking 2 bottles of water, and then I just stop. And then I regret stopping. So today we're sipping on water. What we're doing today. Welcome to the point of the video. It only took me 2.5 minutes to get there. 2 minutes and 53 seconds to get there. Today, we are going to be unboxing, unegging, deshelling some of our mystery Gashapon capsules. I have been collecting these for a very, very long time. And I was gonna start mixing these in with our like 50-pound of mystery unboxing. It's probably 100 pounds by now. But the 50-pound mystery things where I've just been grouping together like a bunch of random different miscellaneous mystery items. But I thought, literally, you guys, we have so many Gashapons, so many Gashapon eggs, that these can definitely be their own videos. So how many are we gonna get to today? Oh my God, I just set that tray on Barry. Barry, are you all right? Are you unscathed? That was my latest Reborn unboxing. So yes, I'm gonna see if any of these will dispense out of here. I got us this little Gashapon machine so that we could, you know, load. For some reason, I thought every Gashapon, this one's kind of hairy, I thought every Gashapon would fit inside this machine. They don't. Only like one particular little size. That does not. Oh my God, hello, I have to put money in. You guys, it's been so long since we've done a Gashapon video. I forgot about my magical nickels. So it appears that we have like 5 nickels. So maybe we'll do 5. I don't know. But yeah, I got this Gashapon machine. I must have put one that doesn't fit in there now. Am I just gonna reach in the top, you guys? Yeah, oh my God, plus mosquitoes. Mosquitoes. A mosquito bit like my neck region? Why? Okay, just reaching in, grabbing a little eggy wag. They're jammed in there. Hardly any of them fit. Ew, I love this purple color. Also, all Gashapons have pieces of tape on them, and I don't like that. What are we gonna get? You guys, like I said, I've had these for so many years, I don't even remember what the possible options are. Can you guys tell what this is? I'm looking at it, and I still can't tell. Towel? Is this an owl? Is this an owl on a jack-o'-lantern? Is this like a Pokemon? Is this something I should know? Anytime I see an owl, I just think of the little Duolingo owl. But this is what we got. An owl on a pumpkin. Oh my God, it is a Pokemon! Pokemon Happy Halloween mascots. These are all so cute. So many different options. that we could have gotten. We got the owl. You guys, I know I am so sorry. I'm just like scratching so much this bite. I know I've said this before. I have to be like the only person that lived through the 90s that like didn't play Pokemon and then lived through like 2016. My hand is genuinely stuck. Lived through 2016 when Pokemon Go. I also just didn't play that. And now I really feel like I missed out. You know, ew, look at this. It's kind of like egg yolk colored. What are we gonna get? I don't know. I hope we get more like, I feel like there was some that I got a long time ago that were supposed to be like miniature, like screwdrivers or coffee machines or something, which would just be great. Cause I'm always looking for props for the little tiny reborns, you know. Oh my God, it's South Park. We got Kenny. It's a Kenny keychain. This is like kind of cute. Dogman's gonna love this. It is a small Kenny keychain on a little ball chain keychain. Let's see, what are the other options? This did come out in 2016. Oh my God, that tells you like how long that I've had some of these. Because I'm trying to remember what shop I used to get a bunch of Gashapon from. It was the same place that we tried a lot of snacks from Japan. Yo! What is this one? This one also doesn't have any tape, but I swear I don't think I opened this before. Did I? Maybe that's why it looks like I have so many. I'm just like, oh my God. Wait, why does this seem so familiar? That's why it just looks like I have 1,000 of these, because I like just literally never get rid of them. I feel like this is something that we opened before, but also I do have several of the Gashapon, I'm sure, that come from the same series. So I don't know if this is technically one we've opened before. It's not like every single Gashapon comes with a chart and a wrapper and all of that. But this is so cute. Premium quality. Do you guys remember this? I kind of remember this. It is supposed to be a pitcher of beer. Look at the foam. There's actually liquid inside. This is gonna be perfect for baby Shrek, or tiny avatar baby. But one of the things that I loved about this before, or I love about this series, is to give the pitcher like a frosty cold look. It is flocked. Fuzzy beer, who wants some? All right, sticking my hand in here. Again, I'm trying to reach the one that's jammed. This time we got a blue egg, and I'm just doing these. I haven't kept count. Maybe we've done 3. Ooh, what is this gonna be? I always like showing it to you guys like that to see like, can you tell what this is? Y'all, I'm looking at it, and I still can't tell what this is. I feel like this is some of those characters that I think are cute, but I like don't know what they're from. It looks like a dog, maybe? Is this a dog? Is this a fox? Also, I have to admit, like, all of a sudden yesterday, the What Does the Fox Say song just randomly popped into my head like a fever dream. Where did that come from? How old is that? But yeah, this is definitely a character that I think is adorable. And I think we've gotten some K-beauty products. Like I remember a hand soap or a hand lotion that came with this character as like the packaging. And I think it's meant to be an otter. Normally he's blue, but see, this must be like a whole series of characters. There was a bunch of otter options and all the way down to this little guy, which is the one we got today. This little fox, I'm gonna call him a fox, fox otter. So if anybody knows what that series is, leave a comment down below, let me know. Okay, ew, this is like raspberry colored. Oh my God, what's gonna be in this egg? Can you guys tell? Oh my God, now I think I can tell. See, this is a good example of what I was talking about before, where I have like multiple eggs from the same series. Whew, that was not easy to open. Yes, it is. Oh, this is so cute. So this is from the same Halloween Pokemon. collection, and it's Pikachu with an adorable little ghost costume. So look at that. It's like the other mystery figures that we get sometimes where you actually have to put the little pieces or the props or the costumes on them. That is absolutely adorable. Look, I'm gonna go play Pokemon now. I have been convinced. Another egg, and I do not know what this is gonna be. It also does not have a piece of tape, but it does look all wrapped up in there. And, oh, it does have a piece of tape, just not over the little thing. Okay, what is this? It's some kind of creature. It looks like it has hooves, and its body is contorted. It's a small deer. Look at that. You guys, that's a weird one. Oh, wild and exciting. Look at that. Oh my, oh! Oh my God. Y'all, it's magnetic. Why? Oh wait, is this a cow? Why do I not know the difference between a deer and a cow? Is this a cow? Help me out. This is so weird. Are you meant to be able to like get other animals in this series and then make like sim life weird creations? Or are you actually supposed to use both pieces as magnets? Many other adorable animals that we could have gotten, and I'm not gonna lie, I kind of hope that we get another one. All right, you guys, this is gonna be the last egg for the day. I kind of wanted to do like a lightning round video today. Oh my God, my fingers like keep genuinely getting stuck. Can y'all hear my stomach growling? It's like 10, 11 and we haven't eaten dinner yet. And I am now very hungry. Did I show you guys? I pulled out this kind of peachy colored egg. Ooh la la. Oh my God, you guys, it's a gremlin. Isn't that what these are called? You guys, I don't know what anything is. Gremlins. Yeah, the things from the 80s. This is like, is this the elder gremlin? Old gremlin. Yes, it's a keychain. And what is this? Oh, you could have gotten these mini gremlins. Oh, gremlins too. Yes. Okay, I want to do one last one. I'm just kidding. I want to pull this one out because it's the one that's like blocking the thing. Okay, I cannot tell what it's going to be, but it's a clear egg. And you guys, I feel like we actually were able to open a lot of these today in the lightning round. Oh, ooh, this is so cool. This is like maybe my favorite thing we've opened today. It's a mask, and I think it's meant to be a fox. What do you have to say? I hope this is a fox. I literally do not know what these are called, but I always think that they are so gorgeous every time I see it. And it's actually on a stretchy, like cord, or it has, that's what I'm trying to say. It has a stretchy cord. And now I'm trying to think if I have any doll that is maybe this size. That would be so amazing. I dropped the little chart. Oh my gosh, I'm about to knock over the magnetic deer. So here they are. It looks like there were so many different, there's three different designs you could get in red and white, but look at how awesome all of these are. Oh my goodness. So you guys, we only have 4 eggs. I don't want to know what just fell. 4 eggs. We only have 4 eggs left in the machine. So now I shall put in more of the eggs. Maybe some of them will even dispense next time. Okay, see, here's some empty eggs. You guys, I've got to clean out my eggs before the next time I film something. What is this? Why are they so hairy? This one, okay, I'm gonna sort out my egg situation before our next video. But let me know if y'all enjoyed these. I would say let me know if you want me to get some more, but I don't think we need to get more right now. But let me know if you guys enjoy these, and then when we run out, then I can get more. But I also need to like figure out who sells these now, because the only way that I've been able to find Gashapon in years recently is by buying them on like Amazon Japan. We've done We've done some unboxings of those on this channel already, but as you guys have seen, a lot of times they come without any eggs or wrappers or blind boxes or anything. So they're fun to look at, but I definitely think that this is more fun when you can actually like open the eggs, you know? I think what I was gonna try and do was shove some of the other Gashapon into these eggs, because these are the ones that fit in the machine. But then I kind of thought, like, what's the point of that? Because if I'm just like opening them to shove them into eggs, then I've like already opened them and it's not going to be a surprise. And some of the Gashapon are actually too large to fit in the smaller eggs anyway. That was a very long-winded egg explanation, but thank you guys so much for hanging out today and for watching. If you're not already and you'd like to be, hit the button down below, subscribe, become a member of the Banana Pepper Squad today, and until I see you guys again, which is going to be very, very soon, stay happy, stay healthy, stay sassy, stay banana peppery. I love you guys so much, and I'll be back again very, very soon. Bye!